Classify the following as either true or false. A times the absolute value of B minus C equals the absolute value of AB minus the absolute value of AC. This looks sort of like a distributive property with absolute value signs. To tell whether this is true or false, to prove it true, we'd have to prove it true for every number. To prove it false, we just have to prove it false for one set of values of A, B, or C. So let's just try a set. Let's try A equals 2, B equals 3, and C equals 4. If it's not true for this set, then we can say that it's false. So let's just start with that. We put in 2 for A, and then 3 for B, and 4 for C. Now we want to know if that is equal to the absolute value of A times B minus the absolute value of A times C. Well, let's see, this is 2 times the absolute value of -1, and we want to know if that equals the absolute value of 6 minus the absolute value of 8. And I did the calculations inside each set of absolute value signs. Let's take the absolute value now. We have 2 times the absolute value of -1 is 1. Does that equal the absolute value of 6 is 6, and the absolute value of 8 is 8. We have 2 here, and on the other side we have 6 minus 8, which is -2. Well, 2 does not equal -2. This is not true for this set of numbers, therefore we can say for certainty that that is a false statement.